and welcome back to my channel. So I have some new hair for you today, and it's by Gem Beauty Professional Beauty Supply Store, and this is how the packaging comes when you order from them. So let's go ahead and get to the contents. Alright, so we have 3 bundles and a closure. Let's go ahead and look at the closure piece. Now the closure piece is going to be 14 inches. So I have 20, 18, 16 with a 14-inch closure piece. So this is how the closure comes. Pretty standard. And it has baby hairs. I'm going to make a wig using this dome cap here, and this is one I picked up from my local beauty supply store. Now I normally do order these from Amazon. I will leave that link down below too. And this is what I'm going to attach to my desk to keep my foam head secure while I hot glue gun my wig. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I just made a new wig, and I got this hair from an Amazon beauty supply store. The name of the store is called Gem Beauty Supply. So yes, they sent me this wonderful hair. This is Brazilian curly hair. Now I'm wearing it in a 14-inch closure, 16, 18, and 20 inches in length. I think I did a good job picking my lengths. I really do love the way this frames my face. I love the length. I love that the fact that the closure hair mimics and matches the rest of the bundles perfectly. You know, sometimes you can buy like curly hair and your closure just doesn't match the bundles, and it's like, you know, it kind of ruins the look. But this is perfect. I love this hair, and I told myself, you know what, I think curly is going to be my look for the rest of the summer if I'm wearing, you know, some type of bundles or wigs. I think it's going to be curly for me next to braids, because I am going back to my braids as well. What's the summertime without braids? But anyway, let's just get back to this hair. Now this hair is so soft, it's beautiful. It's not real tangly. I can run my fingers through it effortlessly, and I do have product in it. Now let's talk about the product that I'm using to keep these curls popping like this. Now, like I said, she's fresh out the dome head right now. Like, I just made it and my curls are popping. So what I do to define my curls initially, I spray some of this curl defining spray gel into my hair, and this is by Garnier. Now I'll leave the links to that stuff down below too, but you got to have some of that in your life. Now I've seen girls use Eco Styling Gel as well. Now that works too. It looks really, really good. But yeah, but for the most part, I just spray it down with water. So you need a little gel to keep the curls, like, you know, like in shape, you know what I mean? It kind of defines them more, but the water just makes the curly hair, you know, a little more manageable, and it kills and eliminates frizz. So you want your spray bottle to keep around for your wig too, and I highly suggest getting some of this too. And I picked this up at Walmart. But if you don't have Walmart, or your store doesn't sell Garnier products, I'll leave a link to that below as well, because you need that in your life if you love wearing the deep waves and your curly hair. Now again, this is Brazilian hair. My closure is 14 and I have 3 bundles. I have 16, 18, and 20 inches in length. She's so cute. I'm in love with that. Let me show you the back. It's giving me so much life right now. I love this hair, guys. Let me know what you think of this. I'm smitten right now. Like, I cannot stop looking at it. This is one of my most favorite units yet that I've made for myself, and I did use the hot glue gun method. I sure did. Now I glue my closure piece down. I always sew it down because, honey, that is the last piece I want to be flip-flopping around on my head should it decide to come apart. So I'd rather sew my closure piece down and glue in my tracks, because I feel like if I'm out and a track comes loose, I can deal with that a little better than my closure piece coming up. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's what I did. And this probably took me roughly 45 minutes to an hour to make. And using the hot glue gun is a real sturdy method. It lasts for a long time. So this is like my 3rd wig that I've made this way, and all of which have still stood the test of time. I'm still wearing those wigs to this day, guys. But yes, let me know what you think. Check out Gem Beauty Supply Store, as their link is down below. So yeah, highly recommend this company. Highly recommend them for your bundle needs. Now, like I said, this is my first time dealing with this company, and so far so good. I am in love with it. My hands just run with my fingers, just run right through it with no problems. I am loving this hair, guys. And another plus, now I've ordered received hair from companies before where they've sent me some beautiful bundles in the curly or deep wave Brazilian texture, but the closure of the frontal did not match the bundle. So it was just like, it was cute while it lasted at first, but then it stuck out like a sore thumb. You could see that they were kind of 2 different textures. But yeah, these bundles and the closure matches perfectly. It flows so good. Like, it's seamless. It's seamless, to say the least. It's seamless. It's seamless. It looks good. Like, they got it right. This is perfect, guys. Like, perfect. First time I've had bundles and a frontal or a closure, but this is not a frontal, this is a closure that just flowed. It just flowed. This is just flowing. It's seamless. I love it. I cannot say enough positive things about these bundles. So this is my favorite wig yet that I've created for myself. I love it. And that's all because the hair is just perfect. It's like when you get perfect bundles, you create the perfect wig, okay? Especially at this price. So affordable. So let me know what you think, guys. Let me know. Is she cute or not? cute or not? Are my curls popping or not? But my highlight is too today. It's popping or whatever. But yes, guys, let me know what you think. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not. And also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload from me here on this channel. Until next time, bye.